10 Surprising Ways Retirees Waste Their Money. When you reach a certain age, you think you know everything and make the best decisions, including financial ones. While you've definitely earned the right to spend your money the way you want, there are some spending ways that can leave you with precarious savings. Buying too many presents for grandkids. Grandparents want to spoil their grandchildren all the time. And there's nothing wrong with that. Except when all that spoiling turns into overspending on things your grandkids don't really need. To save not just your wallet but also your grandchildren from becoming plain materialists, try to refrain from buying the latest must-have toys. Or at least consult with their parents and find out what the kids really like and need. Providing financial support for adult children. Life is hard and parents will always want to make their children's life easier. More often than not, this help extends past childhood, into adulthood. According to a study performed by Merrill Lynch in 2018, parents spend around $500 billion every year to provide financial support for their adult children. And most of the times, such money comes from retirement savings that will eventually come to an end. Ignoring senior discounts. Need hotel rooms? Cheap restaurant meals? How about travel plans? Senior discounts are one of the few perks that come with aging. There's a wide list of things seniors get discounts for, usually between 5% and 20%, but many retirees surprisingly disregard them. If you're one of them, stop ignoring flyers such as AARP membership ones and start enjoying some of the benefits that come with getting older. Getting unnecessary life insurance. Getting a life insurance is a smart financial decision. However, it's a waste of money if your children are all grown up, your major debts are all paid off, and the older you get the pricier the insurance. After all, the purpose you're getting a life insurance is to make sure your loved ones don't have to pay your debts and can still maintain their lifestyle after you're gone. Refusing to downsize. Housing is one of the main retiree expenses. That's because a bigger house comes with more effort and money on maintenance, taxes, utilities, insurance and mortgage. You would think these reasons are enough to make empty nesters consider downsizing. But in reality, nearly a third move to a bigger house to make room for visiting family members. Giving to charity. Donating and knowing you made a difference in someone else's life can make you feel quite good about yourself. But a big and generous heart can easily become the victim of pushy solicitors and scammers. Seniors are particularly targeted by bogus charities due to their inability to say no to a good cause. Therefore, before opening your checkbook, make sure you do it for the right cause and don't jeopardize your savings. Buying brand instead of generic medication. Many people opt for brand name medication because they think these are more efficient and safer in terms of active ingredients and substances than generic medication. What they don't know is that generic drugs have the same active ingredients and efficiency as their brand counterparts. They have to comply with the same FDA rules but are significantly less expensive. Not to mention that some stores provide certain generic medication for free. Having unnecessary tests and screenings. It is important to have a regular checkup to make sure you're in the right condition, especially as you age. Seniors are even more expected to invest in their health and schedule medical visits with a healthcare provider. Unfortunately, they are not expected to question whether they really need all the tests and treatments recommended by doctors. Some may be invasive and do more harm than good. Having two cars. According to specialized studies, transportation is the second biggest expense category for seniors, after housing. But ditching the second set of wheels is a good way to save money on gas, maintenance and insurance. And for retirees with a more flexible schedule, having one single car can actually be quite practical. Saying yes to vices. Believe or not, seniors are the fastest growing group of gambling addicts, with senior women as top gamblers, according to AARP. If you're smoking a pack a day, you're spending around $2,000 to $5,000 a year only to damage your health. Chronic overeating, alcohol abuse and plenty of other vices affect seniors in more ways than one. To avoid wasting your money and affecting your health, forget about YOLO and just remember, moderation is key to everything. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Looking forward to seeing you on our next video. Thank you for viewing Financial Wellness YouTube video channel.